Hello, my little ones. Wishing you a lovely morning and a wonderful day. Welcome to Senior KG class. I am your Prerna ma'am. Today we will learn about homes of animals and sounds of animals. Children, as you all know, home is a place where we live. We all need home to protect ourselves from heat, cold, and rain. Animals also need homes to live. Different types of animals live in different types of homes. Let's learn about homes of animals.
Homes of animals. Rabbit. Rabbit is a small furry animal with long ears. Rabbit lives in burrow. burrow ग्राउंड में बने हुए एक गड्ढे या टनल जैसी होती है. Rabbit lives in burrow. Rabbit lives in burrow. Squirrel. Squirrel is a small animal with a long furry tail. Squirrel lives in a tree hole. Tree hole tree trunk में बने हुए एक होल जैसा होता है. Squirrel lives in tree hole. Squirrel lives in tree hole. Spider. Spider is a small creature with 8 legs. It makes web to catch insects. Spider lives in cobweb. Cobweb sticky धागों से बना होता है जिससे insects उससे चिपक जाएं. Spider lives in cobweb. Spider lives in cobweb. Ant. Ant is a small insect that can be black, red or brown in color. Ant lives in anthill. Anthill मिट्टी से बनी हुई एक छोटी सी पहाड़ी जैसी होती है. Ant lives in anthill. Ant lives in anthill. Pig. Pig is a pink or black color animal with short legs. Pig lives in sty. Sty गीली मिट्टी से बना होता है और इसके चारों तरफ फेंस होती है. Pig lives in sty. Pig lives in sty. Bee. Bee is a yellow and black flying insect that makes honey. Bee lives in hive. Bee एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाती है जिसमें वो हनी को स्टोर करती है. Bee lives in hive. Bee lives in hive. Lion. Lion is a large and strong wild animal with yellowish fur. Lion lives in den. Den किसी पहाड़ी या बड़े से पत्थर में बनी हुई गुफा जैसी होती है. Lion lives in den. Lion lives in den.
Now we have learned about homes of animals. It's time to learn about sounds of animals.
Sounds of animals. Lion roars. Lion roars. Cat mews. Cat mews. Monkey chatters. Monkey chatters. Goat bleats. Goat bleats. Sparrow chirps. Sparrow chirps. Elephant trumpets. Elephant trumpets. Duck quacks. Duck quacks. Cow moves. Cow moves. Snake hisses. Snake hisses. Horse neighs. Horse neighs. Dog barks. Dog barks. Bear growls. Bear growls. Pig grunts. Pig grunts. Tiger roars. Tiger roars.
Now it's time for worksheet.
This is the worksheet of homes of animals. In this worksheet, we have to match the animals with their homes. Here we have some animals and some homes. First animal is lion. Second is squirrel. Third is bee. And fourth is pig. First home is hive. Second is sty. Third is den. And fourth is tree hole. You have to see the pictures carefully and match the animals with their correct homes.
Hope today's session was interesting and informative. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.